You don't need to be great at music to be a music producer. Rick Rubin, one of the world's biggest producers, never touched a soundboard. He didn't even play an instrument. A great song makes production easy, as long as you have this one thing: taste. And in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you why this might change how you create music forever. Pillar one, the job of the music producer. You don't need deep audio engineering knowledge to be a powerful producer. You just need great taste. And your taste makes you unique, and it's the greatest superpower you have. Lean into it, and your song will be memorable. But if you try to just do what everyone else is doing, your song will only get lost. 90% of your job as a music producer is just to trust your own taste and develop an authentic style that is different from everyone else. Pillar two, and this is where most beginners get caught. You don't need to learn mixing or even be that technical to be a good producer. You need to learn about songwriting. Formula One drivers focus on skills that deliver the best races, like strength, endurance, and reaction times. They're not deep into the details of tweaking engines or repairing the exhaust. As a producer, focus on the skills that will deliver the best production. Focus on the song first, not the mix. If you have no song structure, your production will suck. If you have a weak harmony or melody, your production will suck. If you have no lyrical depth, your production will suck. In short, if your song sucks, your production will suck. Pillar three, learn the 80-20 rule. Unless you're Rick Rubin, you probably don't have a team of people to work with, so you'll likely need to do things yourself. Choose a DAW, like Logic, and learn the fundamentals that will get you 80% there. Learn where to find great sounds and how to get great recordings at the source. Learn workflow and productivity shortcuts that will help you move faster. That's it. That will get you 80% there. As you start to create more songs, your Logic skills and taste will develop, but focus on the quantity of songs at first, not necessarily the quality. Quality will come after you do a lot of work. If you want to go deeper, check out the link in the description and get a free Logic production template where we will go 10 times deeper than this, or get started now with this video here.